Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi tatay, happiest birthday po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, tatay. Wish ko lang sa'yo, tatay, ay good health palagi and mag-iingat ka po palagi sa work mo and long life. Mahal na mahal ko po namin ng mga anak mo. God bless you po, tatay. I love you.
Tatay, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Tatay, happy birthday, tatay. Ingat ka palagi and God bless and thanks. Thanks sa lahat ng binibigay niyo sa bawat isa sa amin, sa mga anak mo na titigas ulo, lalo na si Jubel tayo at pasaway. Tatay, happy birthday, tatay. I love you. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Kayo ni nanay, ingat kayo palagi. And ayun, tatay, happy birthday. I love you. Momo chup chup. Thank you, tatay. Hello, tatay. Good morning. Happy birthday. Hindi na ako makakapunta sa rin kasi gising ko eh. Pero happy birthday. Thank you po sa lahat. Nakamagin namin ko sa YouTube. Then, salamat po sa mga naitutong nyo sa amin. Kahit maliit na bagay lang po, nag-appreciate namin. Again, happy birthday po. Magpakasaya ka po sa araw mo. Happy birthday po sa atin. We love you, tatay. Hello, Tatay Ernesto. Ang gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day, Tatay. Mwah.
Hello, Tay Ernesto. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday po. Ang wish ko lang po sa iyo ay good health at marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo and especially sa family mo po. God bless po and marami pa pong blessings to come. Thank you po, Tay. And again, enjoy your day and happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, tatay! Love you!
Po kayo batiin ng happy birthday. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa binigay niyong tulong sa amin. Wish ko po sa inyo ang malusog na pangangatawan at ilayo po lagi kayo sa sakit. God bless po, tatay. Love you. Always take care.
Happy birthday, Tatay, the man who taught us our education and faith. Thank you for being a pillar, strength, and our greatest inspiration. With high dedication and loving hardship, here we are today, wishing you good health and lasting joy in your wonderful years ahead. May God continue to bless you, keep you safe, and fill your heart with peace. Love you, Tatay.
Hi, Tay! Happy birthday! Ayan. More birthdays to come. Ayan. And I wish you good health. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng blessings na i-share mo sa amin. Ayan. So, someday, sana ako rin ay makapag-share sa kanila ng mga blessings. Ayan, Tay. Palagi kang mag-iingat. Ayan, palagi kang mag-iingat dyan. And, nandito lang kami. Love ka namin ng Team Tatay and Team Best Cure. Ayan, God bless you, Tay. And, happy birthday ulit. Love you. Bye.
Tatay, happy birthday sa nag-iisang tatay namin sa White World. Hi, Tay, I miss you ng last birthday mo, kasama ka namin. Sana makita ka pa namin ulit sa personal, and yung kapugian mo. Miss na miss ka na namin, tatay, at sana miss mo rin kami, and masayang-masaya kami kasi nandyan ka na nag-iisang tatay para sa amin na sumuporta at magbigay ng kasiyahan sa YP at pangangailangan na naibibigay mo kahit onte, tay. Tay, thank you kasi andyan ka na, tatay namin, na kapag malungkot kami, kahit paano napapasaya mo kami at napapasaya ka namin. Sana huwag kang magbabago, tay. And sana magkita ulit tayo ng mga kaway to world natin. And good health, tatay. I miss you, and more blessings to come, and good health. Always pray, tatay. I love you.
Hello po, tatay. Happy birthday po. Stay strong, stay healthy po. Ayan, tay. Dumagdag na po yung taon natin, tay. Thank you po sa mga pa-blessings. Happy birthday. Keep strong, tay, sa healthy nyo. And kinananay, stay healthy po, tatay. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, tay. Maraming salamat po. We love you po, tay. Thank you.
Hi, tatay! Happy birthday, tatay! Ang nag-iisang tatay namin sa YT World. Alam mo na yun, tay. Thank you so much for everything, tatay. Alam mo yun. Wish ko po sa iyo is good health, and mag-iingat po kayo palagi ni nanay dyan. Sana soon po, umuwi na po ulit kayo ng nanay para magkita-kita na po tayo. Ayun, tayo lang po, and I love you so much, tatay. Happy birthday po ulit, tatay.
Happy birthday, Tatay Ernesto. Thank you po sa lahat ng pagpapasaya sa amin. Wish ko po is long life and God bless you always.
Hello, Sir Ernesto. Masaya po akong nakilala kayo at ngayon po ay birthday niyo ulit. At gusto ko pong bumati sa inyo ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa inyo. Happy birthday! Sana ay mas marami pang birthday ang darating sa inyong buhay. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ikaw po ay napaka matulungin sa tulad naming mga small content creator. At sa inyong mga anak, kayo po ay mapagmahal na rin. Thank you, Sir Ernesto, sa lahat ng pagsuporta nyo sa akin. Muli, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tata Ernesto. Wish ko lang po, sana po ay lagi po kayong malusog at laging masaya, good health, and stay pogi. Happy birthday po, Tata Ernesto.
Hello, Sir Ernest. Una po sa lahat, magpapasalamat ako sa inyo dahil kay Ellie, nakilala kita, at sa kasamahan mong mga angels. At salamat pala na pinatuloy mo kayo sa bahay mo kahit magkaibang team tayo. At magpasalamat din ako sa mga pa-premium mo, sa mga pa-games, lahat-lahat kung anong man magkakasaya sa amin. At ngayong kaarawan mo, sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng buong buhay, maraming taon, at God bless. Happy birthday, Sir Ernest.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti, feliz cumpleaños a ti. Te deseamos tus amigos que la pases feliz. Comimos mucho pastel, que te canten también, que recibas 1000 abrazos y regalos de bien. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and you ones. Happy birthday to you. Have a big cake to share. Sing together all day. May blessing be with you. Happy birthday to you. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and you ones. Happy birthday to you. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Te deseamos tus amigos que la pases feliz. Come mucho pastel, que te canten también, que recibas mil abrazos y regalos de bien. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and you ones. Happy birthday to you. Have a big cake to share. Sing together all day. May blessing be with you. Happy birthday to you. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and you ones. Happy birthday to you.
Hi tatay! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day! Happy birthday!
Tatay! Happy birthday! Tatay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, tatay.
Tatay. Anong name ni tatay?
Tatay Ernest.
What will you say to tatay? I
Love you.
love you, Uma.
Lahat.
God bless you, tatay.
God bless you too.
Hindi ka magsawa sa akin.
Take care. Mwah.
Natangkasawa tayo. Kaya,
Hello, Tatay Ernesto. Happy birthday to you. Today it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tatay Ernesto. Hello, Tatay Ernesto. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana more blessings to come, more birthday to come, more handsome, and always pogi and healthy. Yeah. And you're very kind, you're very generous, you're very supportive to everyone. And God bless you, Tata Ernesto. Kissing peace for you. Hugs for you. Love you. Miss you to the man in black, Tata Ernesto. I give you a big heart. Bye. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ng premiere ni Tatay at sa lahat po ng mga nandito, and gusto ko lang batiin si Tatay ng happy birthday, Tay, and thank you po sa lahat, and wish ko good health and more blessing syempre, at maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo, Tay, and sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, syempre. At mag-iingat ka lagi, Tay. I love you so much, Tay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tatay Ernesto. Happy birthday po. Ingat po lagi. Happy birthday po. Stay healthy. God bless, Tatay. Love you.
You will clap, Ana. You will clap. Clap mo na, clap. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday. Why are you dancing?
I said clap. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, grandpa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, grandpa. Yay! Happy birthday, tatay. God bless po. Ikaw naman. Say, happy birthday, grandpa. Say, happy birthday, grandpa. Yay! Happy birthday. God bless po.
Happy birthday